Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you guys my new binders that I got for like all of my cash envelopes. I received these for Christmas and I just want to show you guys all of the different binders I have and all of the different envelopes I have inside of the binders. So I am going to start with my Sinking Fun binder. You guys see I just used my label maker and put a clear tag on there for sinking funds. In my sinking funds I have, of course, my Sam's Club, car registration, vitamins. I'm plant-based, so I have to take a few different vitamins, student loans, P.O. box, laptop, dental, back to school, travel, and my taxes. That's all I have in my Sinking Fun envelope or binder. I'm so used to saying envelopes. That's all I have in my Sinking Fun binder. Let me zoom in just a little more for you guys. All right, so that is all again for the Sinking Fun binder. For my next binder is just my everyday binder. The other three are new envelopes and I'm gonna show you guys, of course. So in my everyday binder I have Eating Out. Hopefully you guys can see that because like I said, it is clear. Eating Out, my spending money, gas, Joe's hair, medical, groceries, beauty, clothing, Joe's spending, my hair, and a new envelope that I want to do is a $20 saving challenge where I put in $20 every Friday. I got that idea for someone's YouTube video I was watching. I don't remember who, sorry you guys, but she was like she saved $20 every Friday. So I'm doing a $20 saving challenge. If I wanted to save like $50, you can save $5. You can save whatever amount you want to do on whichever day you want to do. But I am only doing one challenge this year. And once I'm done with this challenge, I am probably going to put it towards debt. But that is all for my everyday binder. I don't know why I have my $20 challenge in the everyday binder. Should have been in the sinking funds, but you know, whatever. Now that I think about it. On to my newer binders. So for this one, the birthdays. So this is everyone's birthday in here. Joseph and Josiah's birthday is this month on the 18th. So, and I have like the amount that I want for each to have. So I have Joseph, Josiah, Ambrose, who is my husband, Naya, my daughter, Jonathan, my stepson, Zion, my godson, and others. So that is what's in my birthday binder. Next in my holiday binder are all of the holidays that I celebrate or I might like get invited to, like a party or something. So I want to actually save for that just in case I'm asked to bring like a dish or something to that party. So in my holiday binder, I have, oh, look at me. I have New Year's. Don't need to start saving for that just yet because, you know, it's gone. New Year's, Valentine's Day is next month. Easter, I really don't celebrate Easter, but I have a godson, so might have to get him some stuff. And I'm not sure how much I want to save for each envelope just yet, so I haven't put anything up there. Father's Day, Juneteenth. Now this is, Juneteenth this year falls on Father's Day. I do believe, yeah, it falls on Father's Day, so maybe we'll have like a barbecue that's like a Father's Day / Juneteenth. Like I said, this is like if I get invited somewhere. Same for 4th of July. If I get invited somewhere, then I need to buy that food. Still not sure how much I'm a budget for each one just yet. Halloween, this is, once again, I have a godson. He's 2. By this time, he'll be like almost 3 because his birthday is in November. But maybe if his mom needs me to buy a costume. No, kids don't come out here trick-or-treating. I don't know if it's because we live in townhomes, but they typically don't come out here trick-or-treating. So that's just in case. I don't know, buy some candy or something. I don't know. And then, of course, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is going to be a big one. This one I might save like $200 just because we typically cook. We typically don't make like a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. One time we had a seafood boil. Of course, I don't eat seafood, but that was for them. And then I, of course, had to buy my vegan stuff. And one year we barbecued. So it all depends on what we're having that year. But that is all for my holiday binder. Next to my Christmas binder. Oh, let me scoot this over so you guys can actually see it. Next to my Christmas binder, you know, I love pink, so, and I love Christmas, so this had to be in this one. Sorry for shaking the camera. So it had to be in this one. Now, Christmas has a ton of envelopes. I have my husband's envelope. I have my daughter's envelope, my twin boys, my stepson, my godson, and then I have others. I hope I'm not flipping too fast, you guys. I'm sorry. Then I have others, and then I have food. This again is if we get invited somewhere or if we cook at home. Decor, I typically don't buy anything. I'm waiting until we move. We are still trying to move, you guys. Like, the market is just too hot. Plus, I haven't seen anything that I really like. We're waiting till the market goes down. Like, there's no rush. We're still saving money for our house, but you know. Parties, this again, oh, I guess this is, I forget I had a party one in here. Food and parties. So food is for at home. Parties is for if we get invited somewhere and we're asked to bring food, or maybe they want to do like a gift exchange or something like that. That's what that is for. Shipping is for when I have to ship gifts to people. I typically buy my aunt something, I ship her a gift, and I'll have to ship my stepsons, and that is about it. And oh, that's all. That is all for my Christmas binder, you guys. So let me know if you guys have this many binders like me, if you're crazy like me, in the comments down below. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Do you ever call by